Hiccup the Bear and How to Train a Dragon. Hiccup the Bear was picking berries when he heard a loud crash in the forest. Behind a bush lay a small green dragon with tangled wings. "Oh!" groaned the dragon. "I'm Flare. I was trying to fly." Hiccup helped Flare up. "Wings are tricky. Want some honey first?" Flare munched happily. "I want to be the best flyer, but I always fall." "Let's train together," said Hiccup. "Like a team." They practiced every day, jumping, gliding, even balancing on logs. One windy day, Flare flapped his wings and soared above the trees. "You did it!" Hiccup cheered, waving from below. Flare swooped down, smiling. "I couldn't have done it without you." From that day on, the forest had a flying dragon and one very proud bear.